How to add another account on Netflix. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add another account on Netflix. First, navigate to the Netflix website on your browser. Make sure to log in to your account. Now click the profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select the account option. Next, scroll down and click Manage Accounts at the bottom. A Netflix account is meant to be shared by people who live together in one household. People who are not in your household will need to use their account to watch Netflix. Account owners can buy an extra member slot and invite people outside their households to use Netflix. An extra member will have their profile, account, and password, but their membership will be paid for by the person who invited them to join. If you need help adding or managing an extra member account, follow the on-screen steps based on who's using the account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.